Good evening, and how are you doing today? I am so excited to be presenting today's Facebook Live. Yes, it is about the all new 6 weeks to control hair fall challenge, and this challenge is about controlling your hair fall in 6 weeks without exceeding your budget and without even getting out of your home. So the 6-week hair fall challenge says that it is possible for anybody to control their hair fall in just 4 simple steps in just 6 weeks. So that is the claim that I am making, or that is the guarantee that I am giving you, that it is possible for you to see the improvement in the way you're losing hair, to make your hair healthier in just 6 weeks. And this is going to happen without you increasing your budget and also without you stepping out of your home. So how is this even possible? I'm sure you want to know, because I said something is possible and I have been saying it, and I said it almost 6 weeks ago. So my first set of clients who took the 6-week hair fall control challenge, they have already completed 6 weeks since I first started conversation with them, and a few of them have even given me testimonials that they have already started seeing the changes in their hair fall. So there are people who said that ab jhadu mein utne baal dikhte nahi, and I can't tell you what a relief it is. So people have already started seeing difference, and I'm sure that the others also who take action are surely going to see a difference. So everybody is capable of producing results. All experts are capable of producing results. I have produced a lot of results. I have a lot of testimonials. But this venture is about creating a difference in many people. I am now aiming to reach lakhs of people and to create result in lakhs of people. So that is the mission right now, and that is why I have come up with a novel form of delivering information, which is using the power of leverage, which is using social media to educate, inspire and to empower you to take care of your wellness inside out, because I want lakhs of people to be able to control their hair fall in just 6 weeks. And I think this is absolutely possible. In fact, not just possible, I think it's fun and easy to be able to do that. And repeating for the third time, it is not going to exceed your budget, and you actually don't even have to get out of your home to start seeing results in your hair fall. So when we say this, let us first examine what are the reasons that people are not getting results in their hair fall. People are struggling with losing hair for months, for years, probably for decades. So when I talk to people and I ask them, how long have you been losing hair? So people say, ever since I delivered a baby, or ever since there was this major change in my life, and that major change in their life was almost a decade back. So that's almost how long people have been losing hair and not been able to find the solution. So when that is the kind of challenge people are facing, how do I say that it is possible and it is easy? So before that, we need to decode what could be the probable reasons that people are not able to control their hair fall. So asking a lot of people, interviewing them, requesting them to fill Google forms, and getting on phone calls one-on-one and asking them what have they tried, at what point did they get stuck, what are the other things they are doing, what are the thoughts that are running in their head. So asking all these questions, I have deciphered 4 main reasons that people are currently not getting results in their hair fall, and they feel that it is very difficult and it is very messy, and a lot of undesirable adjectives come to their mind when it is about treating hair fall. So let us come to reason number 1. So reason number 1, people are not getting the results that they deserve and they desire, is because they're doing something wrong. So there are multiple things that they are doing wrong, but I'll just give you an example so that you get clear about what exactly I'm saying. So there are argan oil kind of products which nourish the hair, and there are Livon silicone oil kind of products which kind of coat the hair. So both of them have different functions to do, but because people have incorrect information, or people have incomplete information, to save some money, I have seen that so many people are mixing argan oil with Livon. So people are mixing a natural oil with a silicone oil, so that they feel that argan oil का भी benefit मिल जाएगा, and जो silicone oil है वो डालने की वजह से आर्गन ऑयल थोड़ा सा यूज करना पड़ेगा एंड मेरे बहुत सारे पैसे बच जाएंगे. सो टू economize the whole thing, they are mixing the two of them together and then applying it to their hair. And then what happens is, even after completing a whole bottle of argan oil, they say, I ended up using a whole bottle of argan oil, but my hair hydration hasn't really improved. Now why is this happening? It is because the silicone oil that you're mixing in the argan oil is an occlusive, so that doesn't allow the argan oil to penetrate into your hair shafts. So what the argan oil is supposed to do, you are not letting the argan oil do its duty because of improper application of the argan oil. So what is the proper application of the argan oil? I think it will take a long time to talk about the right way to do things also, but this is what I will be covering in a male series when you enroll for my 6-week challenge to control your hair fall. So I will, in the male number 1, I will be talking about the commonest thing people do wrong, and because they're doing these things wrong, they are not getting the results that they deserve. Like for instance, an anti-dandruff shampoo needs some kind of contact time on the scalp. If you use an anti-dandruff shampoo and wash it off in 30 seconds, you are not going to be getting the results that an anti-dandruff shampoo is capable of giving you. So when you increase the contact time of an anti-dandruff shampoo, a lot of people have seen that just that single step of increasing the contact time of an anti-dandruff shampoo has allowed them to get better results from the same product. So that is the kind of information I will be covering in male number 1 if you subscribe to the absolutely free 6-week control hair fall challenge. So you will know about the things that you're doing wrong and you can stop doing them. And I have said this in the past also, that what you stop doing many times is more important than what you actually do. Now coming to number 2. So what is the number 2 reason people are not getting results in their hair fall? Because they do not have the complete information. So everybody has been telling them that they have to have protein, and everybody knows that for healthy hair, it's a good idea to increase the protein in the diet. But if you really want results, and you really want results in a time as quick as 6 weeks, you will have to know how much protein you need to take. So depending on your body weight, unless they have the clarity about how many grams protein per kg body weight do they need to take and how they can get that amount of protein from their food, so unless they have the complete information, just knowing that more protein equal to better hair is a very incomplete information, and an incomplete information will not give you the results. So having incomplete information and acting on that incomplete information is making them feel that I am doing what it takes and still not getting the result. So you need to know it's not what to eat, because a lot of people are writing all over the internet about healthy foods, antioxidant rich foods. So what to eat is being spoken about very casually, but how much to eat is equally important. If you do not get the how much to eat right, only knowing the what to eat is not going to help you. So the second reason people are not getting results in their hair fall is incomplete information. So if you enroll for my 6-week hair fall control challenge, which is an email series and it is completely free, because I am on a mission to empower a lot of people, to educate them, they will know in mail number 2 what are the common things that they are doing wrong, and they can stop doing. No, in the first mail they will know about the common things they are doing wrong. In the second mail they will know about what are the right ways, what is the step-by-step formula to do things right, because even if you're doing the right thing but you're missing a step in between, then you may not get the results you deserve. Now we come to rule number 3 or problem number 3. What is the third most important reason that people are not getting results in their hair loss? So people are not getting results in their hair loss because they are very inconsistent with the application of what is given to them. So let us all admit it that we are many times not able to follow the protocols that has been prescribed to you, and yes, we do feel guilty about it. We take the blame for it and we say, हाँ मेरा ही mistake है, मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. But here can I share a story about me? Not a story, but a quality about me. So I am the most undisciplined, the most dreamy, and the most unsorted person I know of, at least, you know. But still you can see that I show up every day and I come up with powerful topics, and I am there on social media as promised to educate you. So there are some things I do with such dedication that it amazes you, but there are some other things which I do not find time for. So if you ask me, like taking my own example, if you ask me to oil my hair 3 times a week or 2 times a week and then put a hot towel around it and wash it the next day, believe me, I'm never going to do it, because I have so many other things on my to-do list which kind of drive me and excite me, that doing something as monotonous and laborious as this, I will never be able to do it. So if I have chosen oiling as a part of my hair fall control regime, it's not going to work for me. So people are not compliant, they do not do what they have been prescribed to do, because a prescription doesn't match their lifestyle. So people need to make choices which are right for them. So for instance, if instead of going for an oiling 2 times a week, I would rather go for a hair mesotherapy treatment once a month at a clinic, and that will be possible for me to do, and that will also ensure that I have healthy hair. So when you make choices that you want to do to keep your weight healthy, your hair healthy, or your skin healthy, you need to understand that the choice you make is a choice which resonates with you. Like there are so many forms of diet. There are diet जिसमें चावल छोड़ देते हैं, there are diet जो सिर्फ जूस पीते हैं, there are diet जो सिर्फ प्रोटीन खाते हैं, there are certain diets जो फुल्ली नॉनवेज खाते हैं. तो कौन सा डाइट सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा है, वो आपको आपके रेजोनेंस के हिसाब से चूज करना है. व्हाट इज राइट फॉर यू, जिसके साथ आप गूंज सकते हो, व्हाट फील्स यू नो कि ये मेरे लिए बहुत आसान होगा, वो डाइट आपके लिए सही है. Similarly, everybody does not need to use oil, everybody does not need to eat tablets, everybody does not have to go for treatments. You can decide, because for every problem there will be 4 to 5 solutions. Each solution will come at its own cost, each solution will require its own time investment, each solution will have its own time to take, you know. कोई solution 3 हफ्ते में रिजल्ट देगा, कोई solution 6 weeks से. But we need to understand all this, and we need to choose something that is right for us. I hope you get this point. So if you are a part of the 6-week control hair fall challenge, you will receive mails which tell you about the various options available, and through these options you need not have a single option कि hair fall हो रहा है, तेल लगाना है, हफ्ते में कम से कम 2 से 3 बार तेल लगाना है, हाफ एन आवर मसाज करना है, अगर हॉट टॉवल से रैप किया तो बेटर रिजल्ट्स मिलेगा. ये सारा अगर मैंने सुन लिया और मैं उस पल में मैं कैरिड अवे हो गई एंड मैंने कहा कि यस मैं कर लूंगी बिकॉज आई वांट टू स्टॉप माय हेयर फॉल, बट व्हाट विल हैपन इज life happens and I am not able to do all these things. So the hair fall challenge empowers people with multiple options so that they can choose the option that is right for them. So the third reason which I said, why are people not getting results in their hair fall? Because they are not compliant. But then go one level lower and ask, why are they not compliant? Because they have chosen therapies which are not resonating with them, which do not fit into their lifestyle, which are not right for them. So choose something that is fun and easy for you, and you don't have to beat yourself over the compliance. You will be able to do it very, very easily. Now coming to the fourth reason why people are not getting results in hair fall is because they are making snap decisions, or they are making decisions because they are carried away. They do not understand the entire program. Many times, like a multivitamin needs to be taken for 3 to 4 months to get the complete results, but people just understand, oh, multivitamin is good for me, so they take it for a month and then they give up on it. Some of them do not look at the budget, because they do not look at the budget for the next 3 to 4 months. They just buy fancy products for 1 or 2 months and then they say, oh, too expensive, and didn't even show any great results, because it takes its own time to show great results. See, I promise you that in 6 weeks you will see progress, but it's not possible that anything except a steroid or a chemical will give you great results in 6 weeks. If you're using something natural, you're using something which is making you awesome inside out, you're using something that is rejuvenating, it is going to take 3 to 4 months to show the marvelous results that it is capable of producing. The 6 weeks is only about telling you that in 6 weeks you will see progress. तुमको भरोसा हो जाएगा कि this thing is working for you, और तुम उसको आसानी से अपने lifestyle में incorporate कर सकते हो. So having said that, I hope these 4 points made sense to you. You would definitely have seen that इसमें से मैं ये सही कर रही हूँ, ये गलत कर रही हूँ, because after listening to like almost 1,000 people and their hair fall challenges, I have come to a conclusion that these are the 4 points which are stopping people from getting awesome results, and I am working on helping people overcome these 4 challenges, whichever is your challenge, I will help you overcome it. You just have to send me your email address, or rather connect with me on Facebook Messenger, and I will tell you the next step about how you can be a part of the new 6-week to control hair fall challenge. It's an absolutely free program, and it is 5 mails that you get, and through these 5 mails, a lot of your myths about what you have been doing that have not been working for you, you will know why what you're doing is not working for you. Then you will have a mail which says that what can you do so that things work for you, and then you will be able to understand how many options you have and how to make these options work for you. So you will work at several levels of understanding rather than just an execution. Like I have said in the past, 80% is the understanding and the diagnosis, and 20%, which is the application, is super easy. So I'm sure you have liked this video, because this sharing which is coming so naturally to me. It comes out of almost 3 months of asking so many people and deep diving and understanding what exactly needs to be done to produce a result. And I told you that my way of producing a result is fun and easy. So then be here, listen to my other Facebook lives, because I promise to add more and more value through each of my conversation. But the real value will be added in a masterclass, and let me tell you why. Because a structured program is definitely going to give massive results. A lot of information is available, but many times just information can overwhelm you. A structured program is something that actually helps you get all your questions answered, and when all your questions are answered, that is when you take the right decisions. So if you want to be a part of my masterclass, which now will happen in August, because the July masterclass is already full, you can tell me that. But till then, if you want to start making a difference in your own health, and through making a difference in your health, if you want to make a difference in your hair, you can join the 6-week to control hair fall challenge, which is absolutely free. So as I sign off, I will tell you what exactly I mean when I say 6-week to control hair fall. I mean that at the end of these 5 mails, you will have powerful 4 steps. If you want to, I can work with you and I can help you find out those powerful 4 steps. And if you implement those powerful 4 steps for 6 weeks, like with some amount of discipline, you are sure to see improvement in your hair health. So many people have seen reduced fall, they have seen new growth, which they have taken photographs and they've been able to see new growth, and most of them have seen improvement in the quality or the texture of their hair. So do you want better hair in 6 weeks without stepping out of your home? Just write to me and I will be your partner. Make a doctor your beauty partner, because a doctor just doesn't understand skin and hair like a beautician does. A doctor also understands nutrition, a doctor also understands hormones, a doctor also understands impact of aging on hair, and so many other things. So a doctor is definitely more empowered to be your beauty partner. Looking forward to be your beauty partner. Thank you so much for watching this. Share it if you find any kind of value, and if something seems incomplete in this conversation, you can write to me and I will reply wherever you're getting stuck in this conversation. Thank you again.